Hi, I am Rahul. I completed my engineering in civil engineering field. So, after completing 4 years of experience in civil engineering field, I wanted to join IT industry. Many of my friends suggested me to join the Salesforce course for higher growth. I searched in the internet for the better coaching. I felt like CRS Institute is the better in their views. So I joined CRS Institute. After joining CRS Institute, I felt this is one of the best institute in the market because they provide such a trainer where he can clear all your doubts. He'll start the class from the scratch, and after every class, he will be providing the assignments, and for the assignments, he will be giving all the solutions in the next class, and he will help you a lot. Not only that, the management team is also very good. They will provide you quick solution for all your problems. I I strongly recommend all my students or colleagues, if they want to join or switch for Salesforce, then please join CRS. Thank you.